a tailored suit, but his expression when he saw me was priceless, a mix of surprise and discomfort. He gave a stiff nod, like he wasn't sure whether to acknowledge me or pretend I wasn't there. Before he could make up his mind, the new bride swept in. Samantha's smile was overly sweet, like she'd been practicing it in the mirror. She greeted me with a quick hello, calling me by name, which somehow made it worse. She had the nerve to act like this wasn't the most awkward situation in the world. She lingered just long enough to make it clear she was keeping tabs on me before pulling him away to greet other guests. It didn't take long for the whispers to start. As I mingled around, sipping on champagne, I could feel people watching me. Some guests tried to play it cool, sneaking glances and whispering behind their hands, while others weren't subtle at all. A few old friends came up to check on me, expressing their shock that I'd actually shown up. The tension was thick enough to cut with a knife. When the ceremony began, I slipped into a seat near the back. The vows were uncomfortable. My ex stumbled over his words a couple of times, and at one point, I swear Samantha shot